In our previous tutorials on self-hosted email platforms, we discussed the benefits of using these platforms and gave an overview of SMTP servers and delivery. In this tutorial, we will dive deeper into the topic of deliverability and SMTP configuration. Deliverability refers to the ability of an email to reach its intended recipient's inbox without being filtered into spam or bounced back. It is crucial to understand how to optimize deliverability to ensure that your emails reach the right audience. 1. Understanding deliverability. Sure. The importance of deliverability. Exploring why having good deliverability is essential for successful email marketing campaigns. B. Factors affecting deliverability. Understanding how various factors, such as sender reputation, content quality, and authentication, can impact deliverability. C. Email authentication. Discussing authentication methods like SPF, Sender Policy Framework, DKIM, Domain Keys Identified Mail, and DMARC, Domain-Based Message Authentication Reporting and Conformance, to establish sender legitimacy. C. Sender reputation. Exploring how sender reputation affects email deliverability and discussing techniques to enhance sender reputation. Content quality. Explaining why it is important to create high-quality email content with relevant subject lines and engaging body text to avoid spam filters. 2. SMTP configuration. SMTP server requirements. Introduction to the necessary components for setting up an SMTP server, such as a reliable server infrastructure, domain, and IP address. B. SMTP authentication. Understanding the importance of authentication in securing your SMTP server and preventing unauthorized access. C. SMTP ports and encryption. Discussing the various ports and encryption options available for sending emails using SMTP, including SMTPS, Startles, and SSL/TLS. C. SMTP relay. Explaining the concept of SMTP relaying and how it can be configured to efficiently route emails through different servers. C. SMTP security best practices. Sharing some best practices that can help protect your SMTP server from vulnerabilities and ensure secure email transmission. 3. Testing and monitoring deliverability. A. Deliverability testing tools. Introducing popular tools that can be used to test email deliverability, analyze spam scores, and identify potential issues. Foo. Deliverability monitoring. Discussing the importance of ongoing deliverability monitoring to detect and resolve any problems that may arise. By understanding the concept of deliverability and configuring your SMTP server correctly, you can improve the chances of your emails reaching the intended recipients' inboxes, increasing the effectiveness of your email marketing campaigns. Remember, deliverability is a continuous process, and it is essential to regularly monitor and optimize your email practices to maintain high deliverability rates. Now that we have covered deliverability and SMTP configuration in detail, you are well equipped to implement these strategies in your self-hosted email platform.